Welcome back, everyone. So, last episode we ran out of steel. So hopefully this won't be an issue for at least a little while. So today I'm gonna try and finish up the top frame and mount the exhaust, and also trying to figure out where to mount the pedal shifter, because right now the shaft is way back here. So I got to find a way to bring it up to the front. Let's get started. Alright, so I finally finished welding up the top frame. The seat right now is just sitting there so I could get an idea of where everything's going to line up. So now I think the next step is going to be making the shifter pedal. I'm going to try and use this old steering rod from a lawnmower. It seems to be just a bit too long, but I think we can make it work. So I'm just going to have two buttons here, one for upshift, one for down. All right, so I've mounted the rear galloper. It's just held on with a piece of flat bar, 1 inch by 1/4 inch thick. It should be plenty strong. And I've also finished mounting up the shifter. So downshift, upshift, and underneath you can see the tie rod that is attached to the shifter lever in the back. Also finished welding up the exhaust. I had to cut the piece of tubing between the two, so I got some stainless steel welding rod. First time welding stainless, so it's not the prettiest, but it should be tight. So before I get too far in the build and forget, since we're running a pod filter instead of the original airbox, we're gonna have to change the main jetty inside the carb. So I just got 2 jet kits off Amazon, and I think stock it's 90, and we're gonna be increasing that to 110, and then we'll adjust once we see how it runs.